Hey guys, Mr. Kaz here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Spark so you can do your project. So the first thing you're going to do is type in Adobe Spark into your browser, and it should be the first thing that pops up. You're going to click that. You're probably, if you don't have an account, are going to go to Start Now for free, and then you're going to use your Google info to log in. That's probably the easiest way. If you already have an account, you're going to go to Log In. I already have an account, so I'm going to click that. Okay, and it will log me right in since I'm already signed into Google, and you're going to click this yellow button right here and you're going to be able to create something new. So I'm going to click that, and we're going to want to create an Adobe Spark page, so that's the one we're looking at today, the blue plus sign, and it should take us to our presentation. And so this is a really pretty way to create visual multimedia presentations. I'm just going to go through some of the features with you really quickly. So you're going to start off by adding a title. Let's say you're doing the First Amendment. That'll be your title. You can add a subtitle if you want. You can also add a photo. I've already downloaded some photos, so you're probably not going to use any of these options. The number one thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Google image search. You're going to find photos that you think match with your amendment or the court cases that deal with that amendment, and you're going to save as, and that's going to save it to your Chromebook temporarily, and then you're going to be able to upload it. So yours might look a little bit different than this, but let's go to some downloads that I have. So some First Amendment ones. Okay, let's see that. See what it looks like. There we go. You're probably going to want to find a more high definition one. This one's kind of blurry, but I'm just showing you guys how to do this right now. So that was the photo. You can also add text, and this is going to be really helpful because you're going to need to add text. You're going to have to add information about the history of your amendment and how it's impacted the U.S. today. So you could type in here. Obviously, there's some options there for bold. You can center, you can add a quote, you can change the text style, and you can center. Okay, next, you're going to be able to add a button. I would highly recommend you add in buttons for your Works Cited page at the very end. And what you can do is type in the name of the source. Say you went to usconstitution.com, and then you're going to add that link in here so that when I check your Works Cited, I can just click on this link and it'll take me to that page. Okay, next, adding videos. So you can add interesting videos to make it a multimedia presentation. You can add videos from YouTube or Vimeo, and you're just going to add the link right in there, and it will take you, and it will upload the video directly to your page. Next, we can add photo grids, and this is going to look basically like photos, but more like a photo grid, so it's going to be prettier. So I have a couple photos that maybe we can use that have to do with the First Amendment, and you can see as I'm uploading these, they're going to automatically turn into a kind of grid. Let's add another one, and now we have them all in line. You can make one bigger than the others if you click on it, and you can make it a large photo. So now we have two smaller photos and one large photo. And then we can add another one right here. Let's say this one. And so that's going to make a grid of your pictures. Make sure you make them high definition if possible. You can see the difference between this picture and this picture right here is much more high definition. You can also move them backwards and forwards if you'd like. Okay, and we're going to save, and that's going to be entered into your presentation. You can see how it's already kind of coming together. It's looking pretty. The final thing that I'm going to show you how to do is a glide show, and this is probably the coolest feature of Adobe Spark. You're going to need to start with uploading a photo. Let's use this one, this free speech zone one, because that was the prettiest. And then we're going to save, and so you can see it's like a full screen, and as you're scrolling, I'm scrolling up now, and so as you're scrolling down, you can see how it kind of slides up. That's the glide zone. And then within this, you're going to be able to pick one focal point if you'd like, maybe one part of it. You can drag this to whatever part you want the focus to be on. We can save that. You can delete it if you'd like. And another thing you can do is when you scroll down even more, you're going to see this little box pop up, and you're going to be able to add text, photos, buttons, or videos directly to this glide show right here. And so that's pretty much it, guys. That's the features of Adobe Spark. Hopefully you're going to find a lot of research and a lot of interesting information about the amendment that you chose, and you're going to be able to add some really cool pictures and videos to make your presentation come alive. If you have any questions, please refer back to this video because this shows you everything you need to know about Adobe Spark. Good luck.